Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python program to reverse of a given number. And this is a program of a Python program to reverse of a given number. So first user must enter the input value. User first must enter the input value and it and in and this input value is stored into the number variable. So initially the reverse of the number is 0 and the while loop condition, so number greater than 0. So now here the importance of the while loop condition is the while loop is used and the last digit of the given number is obtained by using the modulus operator. So now here the condition is remainder is equal to number modulus operator 10. So the modulus operator is used to determine the remainder value. So first find out the remainder value using that expression, and reverse is equal to reverse into 10, and after that the increase the previous reverse integer number by a factor of 10. So that is reverse is equal to reverse into 10, and then add it to the recently extracted digit value. So that recently extracted digit value, using this expression, extract the remainder value. So adding that value, so that is reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. And using this stepwise, the reverse number can be determined. Next, find out the next integer value. The last digit is then removed by dividing the number with 10. So number divided by 10. So using this equation, number is equal to number divided by 10. The quotient value will be get, and the next value of the number is quotient value of this equation. Number divided by 10, we get the quotient value, and the next value of the number is using this expression can be determined. And finally we can apply the final reverse number. So this is the program. So now here I will explain step by step. So initially I will give the number is initially I will give the number is 1 2 3 4. The number is equal to 1 2 3 4, for example. So using remainder is equal to number modulus 10 and extract the last digit. Extract the rightmost digit of the number of the given number. So in this given number, what is the rightmost digit? 4 is the rightmost digit number. First extract rightmost digit of the given number using number modulus 10 operator. So now where the number is 1 2 3 4 using modulus operator by 10, and the remainder value is 4. The remainder value is 4. So increase the previously reversed number, and initially we have to consider the reverse number is 0. Initially we have to consider. So remainder is equal to, now here remainder is equal to number 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 modulus 10. The remainder value is 4. Extract the last digit. Next find out the reverse number. So initially we have to consider here the reverse number is 0. So reverse is equal to initial reverse number is 0. 0 into 10 plus, and the remainder value is 4. So 0 into 10, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. The next reverse value is 4. Next find out the next number value. So dividing the given number by 10, we get the next number value, that is the quotient value of the given number. Now here the given number is 1 2 3 4 divided by 10. We get the quotient value. The quotient value of the next number is 1 2 3. That is the next value of the number. 1 2 3 divided by 10. We get the quotient value. That quotient value is 1 2 3. And next value of the number is 1 2 3. Next value of the number is 1 2 3. In the same process, we can find out the remainder value, next reverse number, and next quotient value. So now we are the find out the remainder value using number modulus 10. And now the number is 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 modulus 10. The quotient value is 3. The remainder. So the modulus operator returns the remainder value. That remainder value is 3. 1 2 3 modulus 10. The next remainder value is 3. So using reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Using that expression, find out the next reverse value. The next reverse value is equal to, and the previous reverse value is 4 into, and it is multiplied by 10 plus, and now here the remainder value is 3. 4 into 10, 40, 40 plus 3, 43. The next reverse number is 43. And now here the 1, 2, 3, extract the last digit. So in this 1, 2, 3 number, and the last digit is 3. Extract this last digit number. Okay. The reverse number is 43. Next find out the next number value using divide by 10 operator. 1 2 3 divided by 10, and 1 2 3 divided by 10, the quotient value is 1 2. So 1 2 3 dividing that number by 10, we get the quotient value is 12. And the next number value is, next third iteration, third step, the next number value is 1 2. So find out the remainder value using this expression. So the remainder value is 1 2 modulus 10, modulus operator 10. So which is used to return the remainder value. So now the remainder value is 1 2 modulus 10. The remainder value is 2. So now we are in the 1 2, the last digit is 2. Extract the digit value using modulus operator. So that remainder value is 2. Next find out the reverse number using this expression. The next reverse number is equal to, and the previous reverse number is 43 into, and it is multiplied by 10 plus remainder value. Now the remainder value is 2. 43 into 10, 430, 430 plus 2, 432. And the next reverse value is 432. Okay, next find out the next number value using divide by 10 operator. So now here the number is 1 2. 1 2 by 10, the quotient value is 1 2 by 10, the quotient value is 1. And the next value of the number is 1. Okay, so find out the next remainder value. So remainder is equal to number modulus 10 operator. So 1 modulus 10, the remainder value is 1. 1 modulus 10, the remainder value is 1. And the final step, final reversal value is using that expression. Reverse is equal to and the previous reverse number is 432 into 10 plus remainder value. Now the remainder value is 1. 432 into 10, 4320 plus 1 is 4321. So the final reverse number is 4321. So what is the given number? 1234 is the given number. This given number, reverse of this given number is 4321. So this is the procedure. This is the explanation of the find the reverse of a given number. So now I will save the program, and this is the Python program to reverse of a given number. So first save the program, and after saving the program go to the run and run module. So click on the run module. So now we are the enter the given number 1234. Press the enter button. Okay, stepwise calculation. So now here we are already explained stepwise calculation. So in the first step, the reverse number is 4, and the second step, the reverse number is 43, and third step, the reverse number is 432, and fourth step, the reverse number is 4321. So now we are in the Python console. Stepwise, we get reverse number. In the first step, the reverse of a number is 4, and extract the last digit of the given number. And the next number is 1 2 3. In that 1 2 3, extract the last number is 3. So the next reverse number is 4 3. And the next number is 1 2. In that 1 2, extract the last number 2. And the next reverse number is 4 3 2. And finally extract the last number 1. So therefore, in the fourth step, the reverse of a given number is 4321. So therefore, the final reverse number is 4321. And one more example. So first run the module, first run the Python program. One more example of the reverse of a given number. Enter a number 4893. In 4893, the last number is 3, and extract that last number, that is the first reverse number. And so using divide by 10 operator, dividing 4893 divide by 10, we get the number is 489. Okay, in that 489, last number is 9, extract that number, and the next reverse number is 39. And dividing 489 by 10, we get the next number is 4848. Okay, in that 48, the last number is 8, extract that number, so the next reverse number is 398, and final number is 4. So dividing that 4, the next reverse number is fourth step is 3984. Therefore, the reverse of a given number 4893, reverse of a given number is 3984.